Hi everyone, my name is Lily. I apologize in advance for the inconvenience. I submitted my presentation last night. I figured it out, it was not enough clear, so I wasn't sure how it happened. I maximized the text. I hope it's gonna work this time. I'm gonna talk today about marketing management, evaluation, and control. It's in our textbook, chapter 20. The question I chose is number 4. Assume that you have been hired as a consultant by a hospitality and travel organization to improve the effectiveness of its marketing effort. Explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. The key point I want to go over today will be marketing in the hospitality and travel industry, hospitality and travel marketing system and the 5-step, marketing control and marketing evaluation, benefits of marketing evaluation control, benefits of consultant in the marketing. I want to start with marketing. As we all know, marketing has a huge impact in the business industry. There is no any business can be success without a great marketing strategy. So I'm going to go over with the definition, why it's important in the hospitality and travel industry, role of marketing and type of marketing. Marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or service, including marketing, research, and advertising. It is the process for getting company's product or service out to consumers. Why marketing is so important in the hospitality and travel industry is because marketing strategy play a key role in building a brand, attract a new customer, and maintain loyalty. It helps developing product and service in the industries that meet the needs of its target market. It helps the customer to understand why the product and service is better than or different from the competition. There is a lot of companies who provide the same product, so a great marketing strategy will help the customer which company to go with. So technically, marketing helps the company as well as the customer. Role of marketing are establishing a relationship between customer and the organization, offering to the market, ensure the brand awareness exists, recognize what factor make customer choose a specific hospitality service. There are two types of marketing plan, short-term marketing plan and long-term marketing plan. The short-term marketing plan is usually 2 years or less. Long-term marketing plan is 3 to 5 years or more. I'm gonna move to hospitality and travel marketing system. Excuse me. The 5-step hospitality and marketing system are planning and research, analysis and strategy, implementation, control, and evaluation. These are very important for the industry because they all goes hand in hand, hand to hand. The fundamental of hospitality and travel marketing system are strategic marketing planning, marketing orientation, service marketing different, understanding customer behavior. Benefits are priority on planning, results in a logical flow of effort, creates a better balance of marketing activity. Next, explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. As a consultant, I would highly recommend it for the industry to identify the marketing problem and list the possible solution, define the purpose of their marketing research, analyze the strengths and weakness of their competitor, and list their marketing goal. In addition, I would recommend list their target market, know their customer expectation, set a goal to reach their objectives, and eliminate ineffective strategy. I also recommend to examine whether the planned results are being achieved or not, and check their increasing their sales and profits, because all the company work hard to make a good profit at the end of the day. So that's a key point. Marketing control and marketing evaluation. Marketing control is the process of monitoring the proposed plan as they proceed and adjust where necessary, while marketing evaluation is the process of determining the effectiveness of a given strategy in achieving the organizational objectives and taking corrective action whenever required. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. I would suggest that the organization should have annual plan control, profitable control, efficiency control, and strategy control. These are the basic type of control that the organization should add on their marketing plan. The next and last question describes the benefit the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. I think the benefit that the organization will gain from implementing recommendation marketing strategy would be that improving brand awareness, educating customers and prospect about product benefits, and raising its sales and profits. I want to go over a little bit about the benefit of using consultant in the hospitality and travel industry or in marketing. Consultant is a person who provides expert advice professionally in a particular area such as marketing, financing, management, and extra. Qualification of consultant is a minimum of a bachelor degree with a major in accounting, business, financing, marketing, hotel or restaurant management, or a similar area. Consultant has to be a person who has enough knowledge or who has enough background about the industry. Not only because bachelor degree may not work, but experience, getting enough experience involving with the industry, that is a key point to become a great consultant and help the organization to plan the great marketing strategy. Role of consultant: assist the organization with certain area of its inclusive work, achieve customer satisfaction and customer loyalty, raising the level of organizational performance and achievement, enlarge the company customer base, and meet market segments. I list some reference that you guys can go and get more information. And thank you so much for watching my presentation. And thank you again in advance for your comment. And it was great to spend some time this semester with you guys. And thank you so much again. Have a good day. Bye.